That was fun. Saw my first bear of the trip. It's a little early. It's before April 15th. It's April 10th today. It's a pretty long ways away. Well, that happened really quick. My ears are ringing. I was on the other side of the creek, right there, and then he was standing right here against that tree. Well, here's my 2020 black bear in Oregon, and just ready to go home and see my family. Plus, my wife has the tag, so maybe I'll get her a bear.
We're at bear camp, that's right. We got breakfast. Look at brother. He's a good guy.
That's so sweet. We are at bear camp. Morning, I came down this ridge where Sammy shot her bear last year, and I looked down canyon and saw a white spot and pulled my behind nose, and it's a really big blonde boar.
It's our first day bear hunting of our 4-day bear hunt, and this morning Nathan spotted a really pretty blonde bear. Right, go after him.
Yeah, we might.
Yeah, he's good, bud. Is he tired?
Hey, buddy.
Yes! Yes! What's up?
Threw it off. Wow, good job, babe. Good shot. Looks like you nailed him. I can't believe this just happened. Good job, babe. You saw where he piled up?
I think he stopped at those rocks. I'm sorry, I was running.
Good job. How far was your shot?
I think it was less than 180 because I checked him last.
I was literally like, brother's screaming, I'm getting rained on, and I'm like, shoot anytime. Anytime's good. He shoot. And then I think I got it on film.
Okay, so I do need to try and find where he is because I don't know. I mean,
yeah, I saw him. He's rolling and stuff. So I mean, we're gonna find him. All right, I made it up here. Sammy's 2020 spring bear. Last day we could hunt, Memorial Day, and we have our son Aya with us, little bud. He did a good job, and it looks like a good bear, Sami Jo. Looks like a good boar. Holy smokes!
so he won't like come up play.
No, he's pretty dead. What do you got to say? Good job on your shot.
Seriously, there's like 6 hours left of our day.
Yeah.
Last day to hunt.
And it's raining, and we have our son.
I just scaled.
We're in a big canyon.
Hillside,
you were over there.
like a mountain goat.
That's where your shot was from.
That's funny.
That's a good one. Congrats again, baby. I'm happy.
Thanks.
Super proud of you.
So cool.
He's a really good bear. I think he's probably like a 6, 7, 8-year-old boar. Like, 'cause he's just big bodied, probably like 250 pounds. A big dude. He's got a white chest on him, which makes him kind of special.
Get up and show.
Yeah, go ahead and pull him up. Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like that.
And he's got kind of gray around his teeth on his muzzle. He's just a big bear. And it's also pouring rain.
It wasn't.
And what makes it unique about it?
Our son, that is almost 6 months old, not quite, is actually with us.
And he's sleeping on my chest.
Yeah.
He's somewhere right there.
Which is awesome because he was in my belly when I got my first bear last year. So he's been with both my bears.
Now we just have to get ourselves out of here and I'll come back and take care of the bear. In the rain. Let's go. He's just gonna chill.
That's awesome.
Here, champ.
I just love this insane. You know, as long as you make it out of here safe. Oh, hi. I said I only have 3 pairs of underwear